Today we are combining our two hobbies, laser cutting and UV printing, with the eufyMake E1 to create this cool baseball stadium sign. Let's get started. First things first, we're getting the eufyMake E1 set up for this project. Since this sign is a bit larger, we're swapping out the mini bed and installing the standard size bed to give us that extra workspace. One thing we really like about the E1 is that both the front and back doors are removable. So if they're getting in the way while you're working, you can just take them off completely, which makes setups like this a lot easier. Next up, we're jumping over to the laser to cut out all of our pieces. For this project, we're using two different materials. The first is MDF that's designed specifically for sublimation, so it works great with printing, but it can also be cut cleanly on a laser. Then, we're pairing that with some matte black acrylic to give the sign a nice layered contrast. This is going to be a 3-layer sign, with the top layer being the one we'll print on using the eufyMake. Once everything is cut out, it's really important to clean your pieces before printing. We like to use a bit of rubbing alcohol to wipe everything down and make sure the surface is completely clean so the ink adheres properly. After that, we're actually using the offcuts from the letters as a jig. This helps us line everything up perfectly on the bed without having to guess positioning. With everything aligned and ready to go, let's head over to eufyMake Studio and set up the project. As always, the first thing we do in eufyMake Studio is hit the snapshot button. The E1 will take a series of images of the bed, which gives us a clear preview right inside the software. This makes it really easy to position our design exactly where we want it without any guesswork, especially when you're working with multiple pieces like this. These letters are going to be the top layer of our sign. We're using a panoramic photo of Target Field, home of the Minnesota Twins, that we actually took during one of the games. It's a great memory for us, so we wanted to turn it into something a bit more unique. To do that, we created a masked version of the image that will cover each letter with a bit of bleed around the edges. This way, we can print the photo directly onto the MDF and have a perfect edge-to-edge design, which should give the final piece a really clean and personalized look. We made sure to resize and rotate the image so that each letter is covered. Now let's set the print parameters. Starting with ink mode, since our MDF is already white, we can save on some white ink and select CMYK and varnish only. Next up, since we are also printing a high-resolution photo, we want as much detail as possible, so we will use the high-quality option. All that is left to do is press the print option. The eufyMake E1 has been a great addition to our workshop. It pairs really well with our other machines like our lasers and 3D printers, and it really expands the types of projects we're able to create. Before this, we were mostly limited to the colors of the materials we had on hand. But now, being able to combine printing with laser cutting opens the door to much more unique and personalized designs. While the print is finishing up, we went ahead and started the assembly. We're using a white MDF base layer and then attaching our matte black acrylic layer on top using some 3M double-sided adhesive. Once we peeled off the protective paper, everything started to come together really nicely. If you made it this far, drop your favorite team in the comments. And with that done, all that's left is to remove our finished top layer from the E1. The print turned out really great. Even with just a single layer of CMYK and varnish, you can still feel a slight texture on the letters, which is something you just don't get with sublimation. It adds a really nice, premium feel to the final piece, especially when you see it up close. Just like with the acrylic layer, we added some 3M double-sided adhesive to the back of each letter, and then carefully placed them on top to complete the final layer of the sign. And once everything is lined up, you can really see the whole design come together. This has probably been one of our favorite E1 projects so far, because it really pushed what's possible for us when combining UV printing with our laser. Being able to take a photo from a real moment and turn it into something physical like this makes the project that much more meaningful. And in the end, it came together into a super clean, layered sign that captures a memory we'll be able to display for a long time to come. We had a little extra material left over from our twins sign, so we figured, why not turn it into another project? This time, we wanted to show how using the exact same settings can still give you a completely different look. So instead of another sign, We're going with something a bit softer, a watercolor plant leaf design printed onto a canvas, paired with "Home Sweet Home" acrylic words. We started by bringing that arch design into our laser software and cutting it out of the same black acrylic we had left over. This is one of our favorite parts about working with acrylic. Nothing really goes to waste, and even small scraps can turn into really clean accent pieces. While that was cutting, we got our canvas ready over on the eufyMake E1. Just like the twin sign, we're using the exact same print settings here. But you'll see in a second how different the final result looks on canvas compared to other materials. We wanted to do a little Q&A to help you get to know us. One question we get a lot is, how do you usually come up with your project ideas? And honestly, a lot of it comes from social media, looking back at our previous projects and figuring out how we can improve them. We also like looking at projects that weren't originally made with lasers or UV printers and asking, can we recreate this? Our whole goal with this channel has always been to share ideas, because we know how hard it can be to come up with something new and then also figure out the right settings. So whether it's UV printing, laser engraving, 3D printing, or a mix of everything, we just want to make that process easier. Another question, what's been your favorite project we've made so far this year? For us, it's probably the glowing Velf creation sign. That project was really similar to this one, where we combined multiple tools, laser cutting and 3D printing, and designed everything from scratch. It actually started as something we just wanted to make for ourselves, and ended up being one of the videos that got a ton of support from you all. Now for the final step, assembly. We're just using a few small drops of superglue to attach the acrylic letters right onto the canvas. Nothing too complicated here, but it really brings the whole piece together and gives it that clean, layered look. All right, last one. If you could only keep one machine in the shop, which one would it be? That's honestly a tough one. So, we're picking one from each category. For 3D printing, definitely the Bamboo Lab H2D. We've been loving it. For UV printing, the E1. We were sent it for content, but in all honesty, it's been super easy to use and we've really enjoyed it. And for lasers, that's the hardest one since that's how we started Velf Creations. But we'd have to go with the OneLaser XRF. Especially for projects like this, it cuts through wood and acrylic so clean and just makes creating so much easier. And just like that, here's the final result. Same settings, completely different look. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you made it this far, start your comment with the word skateboard so we know you watched all the way through. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.